Alright, so one of my Kickstarters got fulfilled here. Wyrmwood. So about a year ago I did the Wyrmwood, Dispel, it's going to be a pain with one hand, Wyrmwood, Dispel, Kickstarter. They had like glass dice, and then also gemstone dice, so different kinds of gems, rocks. They had some pretty interesting options. Packaging. Okay, there's some goodies here. Information, I'll put to the side. So Dispel, Wyrmwood. Some care tips. So Dispel dice, use them in a padded tray because they're like glass. This is really intricate here. We were able to break a Guinness World Record. Nice. Alright, now I did see that they sent some extras. So, a nice Wyrmwood sticker. Pretty nice quality here. What is this? It's like a small little comic. It's just a few pages. Oh, okay, wow. Like all the nerdiest topics that they could think of. So, not bad. The packaging is ridiculous. Supreme. These boxes are ridiculous. Now, the Kickstarter was, these dice were fairly decent price. Like I said, some of them are gemstone made out of like obsidian and stuff. So pretty crazy. Let's see here. So, picture Jasper. This is actually my set. I just happened to grab outside of the box. So, you can see there's Dispel dice, and then there's Wyrmwood dice. Must be one of the gifts. Oh, and here's another. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. This is. Now, I got 5 sets total were in this Kickstarter. And then they just threw this dice in here, so. Oh, wow. That's really. That's crazy. They didn't need to do this, but they definitely went out and did this. It's just a straight up D6. It's a big ass D6. That's so sick. It's so dope. And the quality of the boxes and stuff is just ridiculous. They also sent some extra D20. I'm not sure what this is for. What the deal is here. Oh. It's pretty sick though. Let's see what that is. So Polar Disturbance D20. Something actually they sent because I didn't pick up any single dice. We only got sets. So these are picture Jasper. They're gonna be stone. The quality of just the packaging alone is ridiculous. This is what you get your dice in. Just one set. It's a rock. It feels like a rock, like a polished up rock. That's crazy. I really like this because a lot of the other options that they had. I shouldn't say a lot of the other options, but there was obsidian. That was the other choice I was gonna get, but it's just solid black, and these ones. The pattern is not repeated on these, and it's made out of stone, So I mean, if I would have got the obsidian, they're pretty just standard black on black. I mean, it's gonna feel like a stone, you know, but I mean, there's something, I don't know, just cool about these dice. It's just a rock. I'll take a look at one other set here. So let's see, Saturn glass. So like I said, it's gonna be some of those glass dice that they had. Amethyst, that's the one I'm gonna look at here. So I bet that's gonna be cool. So Dispel's got theirs packaged just about the same, but a little differently here. So Vaporwave. The Dispel dice were more just like variations of color. They have, I don't know what they were made out of. I thought they were glass, but I'm thinking they're not. But they were, they all had like metal bits they had put into them. So each of those dice, I suppose each of those dice is also, you know, going to be unique to itself. But I wanted a stone dice for sure. So I'm thinking these amethyst. I guess we'll just wait and see here. So it's a stone for sure, like it's a gem. It's the amethyst gem. And you can see, let me get one here with a finer point on it. Maybe I should just be looking at the D4. That D10's pretty. Wait a minute. It says something underneath there. I'm going to take a look at the D4 here, because on the tip, I'm trying to catch on the camera, you can like see the shine in it. There. You can see on the bottom. Translucent there. That's what I was looking for. I thought it'd be easier to see in the points, but I guess just that edge. The light coming down through it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I mean, I think they're running pre-orders. I'm on the tail end of the Kickstarter here, but if I'm correct, you should be able to go and buy these. They may still have the pre-orders open. I know that I'm not sure if all these are in their store, all the different kinds of sets. So you'd have to go ahead and check. Wyrmwood, they're super popular. If you're unfamiliar, they do a bunch of stuff. Furniture, dice trays. They have a lot of dice trays and dice tray accessories. Vaults to like hold your dice in and stuff. Kind of similar to this, but like made out of really nice wood. They use a lot of nice wood. Dispel dice, I'm less familiar with. They just happen to be doing this Kickstarter with Wyrmwood. It's probably like a huge distributor thing or something like that. Just easier to partner up. But Dispel dice seemed like they had nice dice. I'm assuming this dice here, this extra D20, is from them. And I mean, it's pretty sick. So if you're looking for dice, I couldn't suggest this more. They're on the pricey side. So I mean, if you usually spend less than $10 for a set of dice, then this definitely isn't going to be for you. I think the cheapest set of dice they had was like a $60 set. That was something like this. Where the Amethyst and Jasper are getting up to close to $100 a set of dice here. But thanks for taking a look. Next time I get a Kickstarter, I believe it's going to be a Kobold Press book. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. Otherwise, see you next time.